Taking a prenatal vitamin is one of the most important and easiest steps you can take to protect you and your baby. All women of childbearing age need folic acid every day to help reduce the risk of having a child with brain and spinal cord defects. These defects form in the first 28 days after conception, before many women know they are pregnant. Pharmix produces 2 high-quality, physician-recommended prenatal vitamins that are gentle on your stomach. First, O-Cal-FA is a complete formula that's offered in small and easy-to-swallow tablets containing 1 milligram of folic acid and fluoride. Second, O-Cal Prenatal is also a complete formula containing 1 milligram of folic acid, offering low iron for women who have a hard time keeping anything down. These products are dye-free, sugar-free, gluten-free. Pharmix, high-quality products for a healthy and balanced lifestyle.